process that I would recommend that you take up is you commit each day to a certain number of sources. You say, I'm going to look at one source per day, or I'm going to look at 2 sources per day, whatever the number is. And then from that source, what I would do is I would just scan it. I would look at it and say, okay, what sections look like they're applicable to me? And then you flag those sections. And then you go and you skim, don't read, but skim those sections and see if there's anything worth your eyes there. And then you flag those sections, those areas within the sections, I should say, that are worth your time. And then you go back and you read all that you flagged in depth. You read the fullness of those. And then you gather quotes, at least 5 quotes total from each one of your sources from those areas that you've read and flagged and so on. Naturally, if a source doesn't yield anything for you, it's like there's nothing here of interest, that's fine, toss it.